Hello guys, so welcome back to our another video. Today I am going to share you about digital marketing. What is digital marketing? How is it to work? And if you want to do any kind of business, then how much important it for you? First of all, digital marketing is it's kind of the updated version of marketing. Like before, people uh, did marketing by field on field, but now no need to go any field for your uh, marketing of company. You can do your marketing from your home by doing online marketing. Digital marketing is a huge field, like all kind of social media, Google, Instagram, Facebook, etc. So first of all, if you want to do really marketing, if you want to do marketing for your product, then you have to choose a good marketing agency. Then you can discuss about them, which marketplace is better for you, and what kind of marketing good for your business, because different product that has different type of marketing system. If you want to do marketing on Facebook, is different. If you want to do marketing on Google, that one's different. If you want to do marketing on Instagram, that one also different. So it's totally depend on your product or your niche, which niche you want to do marketing, or you want to sell, or which product of your business. My suggestion is depend on the country, is depend on product, is on good marketplace, like Facebook is good for Asian people, and Google is good for the rich country, like developed country, because the Google marketing is very costly, and you can target it, you can get target the customer from Google, because the public search on the search engine the name what uh, which product they need. So but Facebook is different. Public is just scrolling after that they get, and they order. So that was totally different. So I think if you have a good budget, then you can do Google marketing. Or if you don't have that much if that are budget, then you can go for Facebook or Instagram. And I think influencer marketing is very good for Instagram. So today that's it. Thank you so much. See you next video.